What if you could build a company that works even when you don't? And what if one entrepreneur with the right AI stack could outperform entire teams working full-time? In 2026, this is no longer a dream. It's the new competitive edge. The age of manual entrepreneurship is ending, and a new era is rising where systems think, plan, and execute for you. This is NextCore AI, your cinematic guide to the evolution of business, automation, and digital leverage. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future drop from NextCore AI. The end of manual entrepreneurship. For decades, building a business meant teams, departments, and endless manual effort. You needed writers, designers, planners, marketers, operators, sellers, and all of them had to coordinate just to keep the company alive. But in 2026, one founder with the right AI systems can outperform an entire office floor. We're entering the first era where a business can run itself. The death of the to-do list. Your to-do list is obsolete. Today, you don't need apps. You need an execution engine. AI Business 2.0 is built on autonomous systems that talk to each other, plan workflows, solve problems, and close loops automatically. Tools like Relevance AI, Zapier agents, and Notion AI 3.0 don't just manage tasks. The founder's AI command center. Every modern founder needs a command center, a single brain that oversees their entire digital empire. And in 2026, that brain looks like this: Runway Gen 3 Alpha for cinematic content and ads, ChatGPT o1 Preview for strategy and ideation, Relevance AI for automating data flows, ElevenLabs Multivoice for brand voice, and Gemini Ultra 2 Finance Mode for accounting and forecasting. Marketing on autopilot. Marketing is no longer about creativity. It's about coordination. AI tools like Runway Gen 3, Pika 2.0, and Synthesia 2026 turn text into video ads instantly, while Relevance AI analyzes audiences and predicts conversions before you invest a single cent. Your ad team is gone. Your copywriter is automated. The autonomous sales machine. Once your marketing runs on AI, the next step is sales. Tools like Kindroid, Genie 2.0, and OpenAI o1 agents act as your 24/7 closers, handling DMs, follow-ups, proposals, objections, and emotional cues. They don't just sell, they build relationships at scale. In 2026, customers don't care if they're talking to a human or machine. Finance without accountants. Spreadsheets collapse into a single glowing dashboard. Your AI CFO is already online. Gemini Ultra Finance, Relevance AI, and Autobooks AI forecast revenue, generate reports, and optimize expenses automatically. This isn't bookkeeping, it's cognitive finance. Your business starts thinking about money for you. The global workforce of one. The biggest companies in 2026 aren't built with teams. They are built with systems. A single founder can run a media brand, a product company, or an agency without employees because the AI stack replaces departments. One person, 10 systems, infinite scale. The 40-hour workweek didn't die. It evolved into 40 hours of machine time supervised by 2 hours of your time. The blueprint for a self-running company. Every era redefines entrepreneurship. Factories built the industrial age. Followers built the digital age. But the intelligence age, it's built by systems. Systems that think, adapt, and scale while you sleep. This is how you create a business that doesn't just run smoothly. It runs itself. The 4-stack framework. Every self-running company rests on 4 AI pillars. Ops AI for execution, marketing AI for attention, finance AI for stability, and growth AI for expansion. Alone, each stack saves hours. Together, they create momentum, compounding output without increasing effort. Scale isn't size, it's structure. Ops AI execution without exhaustion. Operations used to be chaos. Now it's choreography. Tools like Relevance AI, Zapier agents, and Notion workflows create living pipelines that move tasks through automated chains. Briefs become blueprints. Blueprints become actions. Marketing AI attention on autopilot. In 2026, attention is currency, and AI mints it faster than human teams ever could. Runway Gen 3 delivers cinematic ads from a sentence. Pika 2.0 animates clips instantly. And Relevance AI tracks engagement and adjusts strategy in real time. Finance AI, money that manages itself. Your CFO 2.0 handles everything: forecasting, risk detection, expense optimization, reporting. Gemini Ultra Finance Mode predicts revenue 90 days ahead. Autobooks AI reconciles accounts hourly. And Relevance AI Profit Guard catches financial leaks instantly. Cash flow is no longer managed. It's engineered. Growth AI scaling without hiring. Scaling used to mean more people. Now it means more intelligence. OpenAI O1 agents can duplicate your workflows into new markets. Kindroid teams can act as virtual departments that solve problems autonomously, and multi-agent systems can expand your brand into new languages and niches without lifting a finger. The founder's new job. When everything runs automatically, what's left for you to do? Think. Imagine. Decide what matters. Your role becomes high-level, strategic, and creative. You stop being the operator and become the orchestrator of intelligence. Vision cannot be automated, and that's where your power lives. The self-running future. We spent centuries working inside systems. Now we build systems that work for us. The self-running business isn't science fiction. It's smart architecture. A network of digital minds guided by a human one. Automation isn't the end of entrepreneurship. It's the evolution of it. This is the future of entrepreneurship. A world where one founder can build an empire powered by intelligent systems that work 24/7. And we're just getting started. This is NextCore AI, your cinematic guide to automation. The real hustle isn't working harder. It's building the machine that works for you. Understand the code. Shape the future.